Phishing scams are getting more sophisticated, and the latest one targets your Apple ID. Fraudulent emails claim your Apple ID is suspended, aiming to steal your personal information. In this video, we'll break down how this scam works and show you how to protect yourself. What is a phishing scam? Phishing is a cyber attack where criminals pose as trusted entities to steal sensitive data. These scams often use emails, messages, or fake websites to trick people into providing information. The latest phishing campaign targets Apple users, claiming their Apple ID has been suspended. This tactic creates panic, prompting users to act quickly without verifying the email's legitimacy. Phishing is a serious threat because it can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and data breaches. How does the Apple ID scam work? You receive an email claiming your Apple ID is suspended due to suspicious activity or policy violations. The email urges you to click a link to verify your account or risk losing access permanently. These links direct you to fake websites designed to steal your Apple login and other personal details. The scammers often use logos, fonts, and styles similar to Apple's official branding to appear authentic. Once you enter your information, hackers can access your account, steal data, or make fraudulent purchases. Why is this scam so dangerous? 1. It looks legitimate. The emails mimic official Apple communications, making it hard to distinguish them from real ones. Even tech-savvy individuals can fall for these scams due to their professional appearance. 2. It creates urgency. The email pressures users to act quickly, leaving little time to think or verify the message's authenticity. This sense of urgency is a classic phishing tactic to exploit emotional responses. 3. It puts your data and finances at risk. If you provide your Apple ID credentials, hackers could access sensitive data stored in your account. They may use your information for identity theft, fraud, or unauthorized purchases on your Apple account. How to protect yourself from phishing scams? Step 1. Verify the sender. Always check the sender's email address to ensure it's from an official Apple domain. Be cautious of addresses with extra characters, misspellings, or unusual domains. Step 2. Avoid clicking on links. Click links or download attachments from emails claiming to be urgent account notices. Instead, visit the official Apple website directly or use the Apple Support app for verification. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add an extra layer of security to your Apple ID by enabling two-factor authentication. This requires a second verification step, making it harder for hackers to access your account. Step 4. Report suspicious emails. Forward phishing emails to reportphishing@apple.com to help Apple combat these scams. Reporting these attempts helps others stay protected and assists in tracking down the attackers. Step 5. Educate yourself and stay vigilant. Familiarize yourself with common phishing tactics and warning signs to avoid falling victim. Being informed is one of the most effective ways to protect yourself from these threats. How Cyber AI pros can help. Phishing scams are constantly evolving, but Cyber AI Pros is here to help you stay one step ahead. We offer advanced cybersecurity solutions to protect your accounts, devices, and sensitive information. Visit cyberaipros.com to learn about our services and how we can secure your digital life. Conclusion: stay safe from phishing scams. Scammers rely on urgency and deception to trick users into handing over their personal information. By staying vigilant and following these tips, you can protect yourself and your Apple ID from phishing. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's work together to create a safer digital world. Stay secure and stay informed.